Does it work? Does it work now? Does it work now? Yes, yes, okay. Hello, hello everyone. Hello, welcome to the pod. Welcome to the pod, everyone. Welcome to the pod, everyone. Yes, yes, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. We're kind of there. Yeah. Welcome to the pod. Welcome to the pod, everyone. Welcome to the thing. Welcome to the thing. Welcome to the thing. Yes, welcome to the thing. Yeah, welcome to yeah, we just have like silent fucking live debug session like in the middle of I don't know. Like that's every stream here? Yes. But also, right? But also, today even more so, right? Today even more so because today, yeah, as you can see, everything is fucked. Everything is fucked. We're having our own phantom text going on, right? We're having our own phantom text kind of moment going on because we'll get into this, right? We'll get into this. Let's welcome the people first. Let's welcome the people first. Hello, Kiera. Hello, A Squared. Hello, Tayavisi. Hello, Lucas _T_A. Hello, Niche Penguin. Hello, Yip Weed. Yes. Hello, Dolligor. Yes. Hello. Hello, Christian. Yes. Yes. Hello, everyone. Yeah. Okay. So, what happened? What happened, right? What is going on here? What is going on here, right? What is happening? What is causing all this, right? What's up with all this commotion? What's up with all this commotion around here, right? Let's go to the docket. Do I even have the docket? Oh my god. Do I even have the docket? Hold on. Slides. How much docket did I actually make? How much docket did I actually make? I don't know. Fuck, is this even accurate? This is not even accurate. Oh my god. I was so optimistic. Jesus Christ. Okay, there it is. There it is. Docket engage. Yes. Hold on. Why is it so low? Why is it was it normally like this? Oh, never mind. It's normally like fucking wait, why is model dead again? My goodness. Start tracker. That and also let's fix the on-screen chat first, okay? Let's fix the on-screen chat first because okay, should be somewhere here. Gizmo chat this. Oh, it's user. Yeah, that has to be name. Chatter Twitch color name text. This should work, I think. Reload chat. Chat. Yeah, let's try test. Does it go on? It does nothing. It doesn't even do anything? What? Doesn't even do anything? Bros, what's going on here? It doesn't even like do anything? What? I'm so confused. Okay. Alright, server. Should be somewhere here. Chat. args8 return. Oh, it's probably this, isn't it? It's probably this. Yeah, it's probably this. Give it false and then reload chat check. Oh, it still does nothing? Still does nothing? What's up with that? Well, let's see. Okay, chat is coming in. Chat is coming in. Right? Chat is coming in. I'm not sure what's up though. String join. Right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? What? What the fuck is going on here? Oh my god. Why does it say if it's less than 8 is return? What? Shouldn't this be 6? What is hello LQQ, hello, welcome to the pod, hold on. Welcome to, this, hold on. Okay, this does work now. That does work now. Okay, on-screen chat works now. Let's see what's up with the start streams. What is going on here? Stream at chat is null or white space? Is this really the thing? No, this should be like this, right? Yeah, that should be like that. And then also in this zone, no, that's the wrong VS Code. Yeah, this is it. Where is it? It's start stream. Start stream is somewhere here. Start stream, Twitch, info, data stream category, data stream title. Why did it not work? Let's try manually doing this, right? Respond ID error, object mode, high watermark, rejects. What is this? Could not create buffer from response body. I have no idea what is going on here. exec data stream category. No, let's just do exec data stream. Oh yeah, that's probably the, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, it is like this, right? It is this. Oh wait, it's just not changed at all. It's just not changed at all. What is going on? What? What link was it to control the screen? Pro Max. Yeah. Well, welcome to the broadcast. Welcome to welcome to the broadcast. So, what is going on here, right? What is going on here? I think we should do some explaining before, but like I don't know. At least the chat works, right? At least the chat works. So like I guess we can do some explaining now, right? At least the chat works. So welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Yes. So the fugue state, right? The fugue state. It continues, right? It continues. It's week 8, I think. Yeah, it's week 8. It's week 8, and I have no idea, right? I have no idea what's going on. Right? How is it already fucking Friday, right? How is it already fucking Friday? I'm just in a, what the fuck? We have robots? We have robots again? Okay. This week was way too fast? Kind of like that, right? Like I have no idea, right? Like I was in my room, I was in my chamber, right? I was in my chamber grinding, right? I was in my chamber grinding. I have no idea what's going on right now. I mean, I normally have no idea what's going on right now, right? In this stream, I don't know what's going on. This stream, I don't know what's going on, but this week, even more so, right? This week, even more so. This week, I have, like, I'm basically back to week 0, right? Like, my understanding level is back to week 0 kind of situation right now. It's Screenlink not working? Yes, right? Like, what is going on, right? What is going on? Well, I'm losing touch with reality, right? I'm losing touch with reality. So what have we doing? What have we? What had? What was going on, right? What was going on in my life so far, right? What was going on in this week? Yes. Who are these people in my walls? Yes, these are the questions we will answer. So, last time, I don't know if you remember. Let's go to lore. Hopefully the lore page fucking works still. Last time we did some things, right? We were doing some programming as usual, but then we realized that, you know, some the code, right? The code that are available in the stream zone right now. The code we have available in the stream zone right now is kind of fucked, right? This zone is kind of fucked right now, right? Exclamation mark help? Sure. Here's here's help, right? Help should be somewhere here. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it just sent you to lore. Yeah, there is command help in lore, right? Yeah, there is. There is command help in lore. I don't know how much of this will work though. Cause like, okay, so where's the relevant page? Where's the relevant drawing? There it is. We gotta go a little here. Yeah, there you go. This isn't even the full picture, by the way. This isn't even the full picture. I just like, I was trying to make screen work today, right? I was trying to make screen work again, and I realized that this is even more fucked. This diagram does not even encompass the whole thing. So yeah, it was fucked. We discovered that our structure is deeply fucked, right? It is. It's not ideal. It's not ideal for expansion, right? We were trying to make replies work, right? We were trying to make replies work. So we have Discord, right? We have the Discord. Hold on, let me pull up the Discord. We have Discord zone, right? We have Discord zone. Yeah, there we go. Discord zone that works by that is 100% synchronized, right? 100% synchronized with the Twitch area, right? Like these are the Twitch chat, right? These are the Twitch chat. You can also type, hello, like it comes up here. It comes up in the Twitch chat, and I was trying to make replies work, right? So if I do like reply, reply. If I do like reply, right? Reply. Does it not work like this? Does it only work in Twitch side right now? Okay, yeah. If I do like reply, right? If I do like reply, see, it replies in the Discord side, right? It replies in the Discord side. Yeah, this is what I was trying to do, right? This is what I try to do, right? This is what I was trying to do last time, and last time we realized that this is incredibly difficult because we set ourselves up for failure, right? We set ourselves up for failure because the structure was so convoluted and everything was so unorganized, right? You got a Discord theme, something of this nature, right? It's usable Discord, right? It's usable Discord. It has minimal like options, right? It's good. It's good. So, something of that nature, right? So yeah, something of that nature. I have our ordinary unmodified Discord, right? Yeah. Where is it? Where do we go? So you see that like we had main that had like stream related features. We had, hold on, can we enable dark mode in this? How do we do that? I don't know how to do that without like an account. Can you even do that? Fucking... Dude, I don't know how to use any websites. Do you have to be logged in to like make it dark? Is this real? It, wait, is this actually real? Is Do you have to fucking log in to change Discord the GitHub themes? What? Oh my god, fucking website moment. Fucking website moment. Anyways. So we have main that does this, and then we have a separate Twitch mode, right? Separate Twitch mode that's like that handles all like the commands, right? Commands for not just Twitch but also Discord commands, right? But also Discord commands, and then we have like we have the where is it? We have the model. We have the model thing that's like C# zone, right? It has C# zone, and then C#, it directly connects to C# WebSocket, but also there's a separate C# WebSocket that acts like a client. It's so fucked, right? Like the whole structure is so fucked. So what we are doing this week, throughout this week, right? It's this, right? It's this. This is the goal, right? This is the main goal of the new Gizmo situation, right? It's modularity, right? It's modularity. It's isolation between different. Can you swap it at Holy See? We can, right? Like theoretically, now that we have split off each individual modules, we can convert one chunk of it into like a completely different language as long as it supports WebSockets, right? As long as it supports WebSockets, we can do whatever we want. I don't know if BrainFuck supports WebSockets, but you know, if it can. Alice probably. You can probably Alice, but yeah. So that's what we've been doing. Let us explore. Let us explore for a moment, right? Like so, we go to index, right? We go to index, and immediately you see something fucked. And we did explore this, right? We did explore the over-engineered ASCII art printer. But yeah, so what does it do, right? What does it do? It first boots up main, right? It first boots up main, aka the server. AKA the server. Main does not have like a different client anymore, right? It's just the server. I did something similar but in Cursed Golang? Yeah, right? Yeah, something of that nature, right? Something of that nature. So what does main do? Main does this right now, right? Main has three components, right? It has commands, it has data, and then it has sources. Right? Sources are just pieces of code, right? This is just pieces of JavaScript. Command is the usual thing, right? This is where you receive WebSocket, and then data is data. Is something of this nature a signature phrase? I don't know. I use that word a lot. I do certainly use that word a lot. But yeah, and we store data through this format, right? This fucked up format we developed, right? Like it has the funny thing in it. This is what we did last time, right? This is what we did last time, and since then I've also added a few modules. Like let's see what Twitch module is doing right now, right? So it goes to index, right? It goes to index, and then it goes to index, and then it validates, right? It validates. It does the whole thing. It does the whole thing, right? As you can see, it is pulling from the common within, right? It is pulling from the internal common thing. Hold on, why does this keep doing this? I don't know what's going on here. Did I do something? Did I do something to not make this happen? I remember this. I remember distinctly. I remember trying to debug this back in Gizmo 1 days, right? Back in Gizmo 1 days, where. So what's going on right now? What's going on is that the tracker is getting closed, right? It's becoming closed regularly. And I'm not sure what's doing that, right? Let's try something, right? Let's try. Let's first start tracker back up, and then let's do this. Okay, tracker is going off. Tracker is going off pretty fucking hard. Hello, Kettle Stew. Hello, welcome to the pod. Welcome to the thing. Welcome to the thing. Oh god. Okay. Let's put this back to log. There we go. Yeah, I'm not sure why the tracker keeps crashing. I'm not sure why the tracker keeps crashing, because it shouldn't, right? But yeah, so what is going on here? What is going on? Where was I? Where was I? What is going on? So yeah. It doesn't use like, it doesn't try to pull things from anything from other modules, right? It is purely self-contained. Everything is its own like node thing, right? Everything is its own node thing, right? And we have like index batch file, and then like a build batch file, right? Like it's so we can like modify these to turn on something that isn't Node, right? Like it's doing the thing. I actually hate Node. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really using Node because I like it necessarily, right? It's the thing, right? It's the this is going to be one of our major projects, right? Like to diversify and that's why we had to like, that's also like one of the major reasons why we had to like, you know, split all these, right? It's gonna be fun, I think. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, so far so far that's what I've been doing, right? So far that's what I've been doing. We have this like WS file that's like that looks similar to like every module. So that does the whole thing, right? That does the WebSocket connect thing. And then each module has like a command thing, right? Each module has the command thing that's like that strictly deals with like its own thing, right? It's like Twitch only send to Twitch, Twitch user only fetches, yeah. This is going to be the approach, right? This is going to be the approach, and handling all the data and doing the whole thing, right? Like those things will be on the main, right? Those things will be on the main, right? Those things will be sources. So how is chat being processed right now, right? How is chat being processed? Yeah, see you later, Promax. See you later. But yeah, how is these things being processed right now? So if you go to command Twitch chat, right? No, let's first start here. So Twitch has this like event sub thing, right? It is loaded here, right? It is loaded in the index page, and then what event sub does, like it subscribes to the events, right? Like it does the things, right? It scans Twitch event. Like, hold on, I should get this to be a little bigger. There we go. Yeah, it scans from the event folder, right? It's here, right? It's this. And then this does the whole like subscribing thing, right? It does the whole subscribing thing. It has the events, right? It iterates over this, and then like there's like all the conditions, and then if you go to chat messages, like it does the thing. If you go to chat messages, it's like it's like all of this, right? It's sending the return value, which is like all the like IDs, like it's just a bunch of like emo substitution. Yeah, those are temporary, right? Those are also temporary too. We'll figure something out. But yeah, so these just strips down unnecessary data and then sends it to main, right? Sends it to main. It goes to here, and then it funnels everything to a main chat thing, right? Funnels everything to a main chat thing. So what is this? It's this thing, right? It's this thing. So it first tries to identify, right? It like if it's sent from Discord, it checks if it has like a connected Twitch account, and then it fetches like fetches like profile pictures if it's like it's been a while, and then it does the whole thing, and then it checks for commands and like reactions and chats, right? Like if you go here, yeah, these are mostly, these things are mostly just like the same logic we had in Gizmo 1, except like better, right? Like this part doesn't change that much, but yeah, like basically what it is that like Twitch side didn't really do much, right? It's all being handled in the main side right now, right? Like yeah, that's the main thing, and all the predicate logic things are on the main Gizmo. Hello, Straybolts. Hello, welcome. What's Joel doing here? Yeah, this is our thing, right? This is our thing. If you type Joel in the chat, right, it does the thing. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Normally it does way more cool stuff, but so while I'm moving this, right? Right? I complete Twitch zone, I complete Discord zone, and then chat flows through, right? Chat is flowing through, right? And then what day is it? What day is it? It's like Tuesday. Good night. Oh, you're going to sleep? Yeah, yeah. Good night. Good night. Good night. Have a good yeah. Have a good. We'll see you around. We'll see you around, right? It's Thursday. Yeah. No, no. I mean like. So I finished this, right? I finished the chat floor, right? I do the whole thing, complete them, completely rewrite the main thing, and then rewrite the Discord zone, and then Twitch zone, and then connect all the chats together, right? I did all that, and then I look at the time, right? Like it's Monday, right? It's Tuesday my time, right? So I have like what, 3 days left. Yes, I have 3 days left. Oh, I can do this, right? I have plenty of time. I have plenty of time, to I can finish out web in tomorrow. I can then also do like Gizmo related stuff the day after, and then we can do the rest in the third day, and then we can go to stream, right? Like it's okay. It's we have 3 days left, right? Like yeah, and then you know. Hello, Nicky Noon. Hello, welcome to the pod. Welcome to the broadcast. Welcome. Yes, welcome. Welcome. Right? I have no idea what happened. Right? I have no idea what happened. Last I checked the fucking clock, it was Monday, right? And then I fucking wake up from phasing in and out of reality, and suddenly it's fucking what? We have 12 hours left. We have 12 hours left, and I have to do all of that in like 12 hours. What the fuck? What the hell? Yeah. That's what happened. That's what happened. So like this is very much minimum viable product mode, right? Like yeah, this is very much minimum viable product mode, right? You need a link to that interact page. We have that, but also it doesn't work. It doesn't work right now. So if you go to, oh my god. Yeah, I haven't warmed up my voice at all, by the way. I mean, that makes sense, right? Like yeah, 12. You mean I can fling jewels? Yeah, so if you go to, wait, why is my mouse not working? Okay. API, there it is. So I don't know if you looked at Screen.js, right? Screen.js from the WebSocket. It's so fucked, right? It's so fucked. It's pulling shit from main. It's pulling shit from the imaginary Gizmo WebSocket that doesn't actually exist. It has all these like internal bullshit that's like also something, and then this is also called like in here. This is also called in here. This is some circular bullshit going on, and also like there's these all like what? Yeah, the Screen.js. I don't know how. It's a miracle, right? It's a miracle that it even fucking works to this day. I don't know. It's like it's a thing, right? It's a thing. Why is tracker keeping like closed? I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna make it start like infinitely. Okay. But yeah, like it's like not. Okay, my mouse is officially like kind of going. Okay, yeah. So basically, everything is kind of half implemented right now, right? Everything is kind of half implemented. You saw me literally just like making this thing, on the spot, right on the spot. It's things are rough, right? Things are rough. I just barely managed to get like the basic things together, right? I just managed to get basic stream related like everything. This is the bare minimum to like actually go live, right? So I don't have anything right now. I don't have anything. I don't have Windows. I don't have fucking any commands. Like I don't have fucking right. Yeah. I don't even know if BRB actually works. Right? I don't even have titles right now. It's kind of rough. We're kind of rough right now. We're kind of kind of back to our roots in a way, right? Kind of back to our roots in a way. This is kind of incident coded, right? At least the chat works, so we're ahead from the incident, right? We're ahead of the incident, but we're ahead of the incident, but we're behind Stream One right now, like in terms of functionality, and we gotta get this up, right? We gotta get this back up. So yeah, that's gonna happen. So speaking of, right? So what was the time? The time was Tuesday, I think. The time was Tuesday, right? What was the... Okay, there it is. The time is Tuesday, right? So I wake up and then like I'm like not I just suddenly cannot focus on anything at all, right? I suddenly cannot focus on anything at all. I don't know what's going on. I'm still not entirely sure what's going on or like what was going on, right? But like, yeah, it was actually the incident, right? It was actually the incident. Actually, let's just pull up Discord. Let's pull up Discord, right? Where is it? It should be somewhere here. Should be somewhere here. The amount of typos probably isn't good for the searchability. Is it here? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this is the start, right? This is the start of the story. This is the start of the story. Yeah, attack of bad air, right? Attack of bad air. I wake up to a mad headache, as you say, right? A mad headache. But it's kind of different, right? It's kind of different to a normal headache because like your head is actually empty instead of like hurting, right? Your head is empty, right? You cannot focus. Like your eyes are tunnel visioning, right? Like you're yeah, like I'm actually like trying to type normally right now, right? I'm actually trying so hard to type normally, but then like as the conversation goes on, like I get fucked up, right? I get fucked up progressively. I get fucked up progressively, right? Dude, why is tracker keeps closing? Oh my god. Uh, it has to be somewhere here, right? But yeah, like it's kind of weird, right? It's kind of weird because like I was drinking healthy amounts of water, right? I was eating pretty well. I was exercising. I was going out, right? So it's not like it's not like I'm like I'm sick, right? It's not like I'm sick either, right? Because it's like it's just so sudden, right? Suddenly I'm losing all focus. So what is going on? What is going on? I go outside, right? I go outside, right? Because people tell me to. Like I go outside, right? I go outside and then I immediately fucking return to reality. Right? I immediately fucking return to reality. So like I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's like a mold or like actually fucking carbon monoxide. But yeah, something fucked up is going on. Yeah, something fucked up was going on in my house. Since then, I have found I have installed the bug mesh thing on the window. It's now open 24/7, right? It's now open 24/7. Shit is crazy, right? Shit is crazy. Apparently a person's not supposed to live in like an enclosed area, right? An enclosed area for that long of a time. So again, I have an alarm. I do have an alarm. I don't know if it's like an out of battery or something, but like I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know if the cause is that, right? I don't know if the cause is that. It might be just like, some kind of gas going on, some kind of like, I don't know. Multiple causes, multiple possible causes, right? Yeah, so that's what was going on. Yeah, that's Tuesday dealings. That's Tuesday dealings. So that's kind of fun. Okay, next one. Next slide. Next slide, right? Okay. Oh, by the way, yeah. Did I ever say hello to you guys? Did I ever say hello to you guys? Yeah. Hello, Control O, and hello, Dangtown Buddy. By the way, hello, MX Alex as well. Yeah. So, last week we live dropped. Last week we live dropped, right? We did some live dropping. We did some dropping live. Where's live? Do we have it here? This is League of Legends. Yeah, there it is. Emotes. This is me fixing the CSS in real time. Of course, of course. Yeah, there we go. So we have emotes now, right? We have emotes now. Okay, tracker is also dead again. Yeah, we have emotes again, right? We have emotes again, and then what happens, right? What happens? What happens? What? What am I saying? What am I saying? Okay, okay. So this week, for the past week, right? For the past week, I've been collecting data, right? I've been collecting data. I've been taking notes, right? I've been taking notes. So far, right? So these are the emote lists. These are the emote lists. Only a select few has been used, right? Only a select few has been used. Let's pull this up in like a better medium. Let's pull this up in a better medium. Right. So far, this hard, right? This hard has the most usage in the server. Right? This hard has the most usage in the server so far. What's the next most usage? What's the next most usage? It's this one, right? It's the funny nodding cat thing, right? It's the thing, yeah. So these two are by far way more used than any other emotes combined, right? Any other emotes combined, like, you know, they like this has some uses, but like these two major usage, right? These two major usage, right? Hold on. Yeah, major usage, right? So I was wondering why do they have major usage, right? Like what about them that drives people to use it? I think we still have to experiment with this, right? I feel like we still have we're in the early days. Like we you know this is a test season, right? Like so. I think the reason why these emotes are used frequently right now is that, one, their messages are clear, right? Their messages are clear. Emotes are a lot smaller than people think, right? Since, you know, normally they're used in like not just messages but also like in reacts as well. Like this is the normal size people see. Right? This is the normal size people see, and emotes should still be visible in this circumstance. Yeah, these are the most visually clear what it is, right? These are the most visually clear what it is. And I think that contributes a whole bunch into it. I think that contributes a whole bunch into it. Second reason, right? Second reason, I think, is that well, they're animated, right? They are animated, right? These are the only animated emotes I have so far, right? I mean, I have some in mind, right? I have some in mind, but you know, these were the easiest to execute, so you know, I put them there, and you know, they're appealing, right? These are more appealing than the other because you know, it your eyes go to them. Your eyes go to them, right? Like it's, I don't know about the nod cat, right? I don't know about the nod cat, but like, you know, certainly in terms of teal hearts, right? It represents a higher tier, right? It represents a higher tier of teal heart. It represents a higher tier of teal heart usage, right? Like, yeah. So I feel like that's the second reason, right? Especially in terms of this emotes. So I had to go get plans. Can I get the recap? Yeah, welcome A Squared. So, we made Gizmo 2, Uh, I thought I had 3 days, but I got poisoned, and now I had to do the rest in like 12 hours. So everything is so minimum viable product mode right now. Nothing fucking works, and we're talking about emotes. So yeah, third reason, right? Third reason I think is that they represent the state of the stream pretty well, right? They represent the state of the stream pretty well, right? Like I don't know streamers. I don't know about streamers because like I've seen a lot of like what should I say it? What should I say it? I've seen a lot of streamers, like streamers like I don't know, Geyser maybe. Like their thing is like they go crazy, right? Their thing is they go crazy. So it's not that unique to me. I feel it's not that unique to me. I feel, but right, something like these, right? Something like the Nodcats, right? Something like the Nodcats. They I feel like they certainly represent. They certainly represent my image better than like some of the other emotes, right? So some of the yeah, it represents the energy, right? It represents the energy. Like it's inconsistent. It's going crazy, right? It's going crazy and unpredictable, right? It has that energy. I think in that way this emote succeeds, right? So I feel like there's something to be learned in this week of week of data, right? It's yeah, this is experience, right? This is experiments, right? Like yeah. Where's the Chrome? Okay. Okay, what's the next point? Oh yeah, okay, next point. Yeah. So I've been thinking, right? I've been thinking. So what else have I been doing? Right? What else have I been doing? I've been making tweets? Huh? Huh? I've been going to Twitter. I've been going to Twitter. Well, I've been going to Twitter once, right? Oh, I forgot. I've been going to Twitter, right? I've been going to singular Twitter, right? I've been going to singular Twitter. What do you mean tweet not found? Fuck you. Yeah, I've been going to singular Twitter, right? This is the thing, by the way. But yeah. So while posting this, I saw, out of the corner of my eyes, right? Out of the corner of my eyes, I saw. Huh? Oh, that's reload. I saw uh, hmm. Right. Okay. So, I'll I usually do this, right? I usually go on the old sites, the old sites through the links whenever the session happens, right? I usually check the funny arts, right? I usually check the funny arts. Let's go check the funny arts, right? Is it this? Yeah, the session, right? The session. It has the funny arts usually, right? It has the funny arts usually. It has the funny arts, right? It has these kinds of like funny arts usually. So I go to check them, and there isn't one. there isn't one, right? Right? So I was like, what is this? What is this travesty? Right? What is this? What is this betrayal of expectations? Like this must be rectified immediately. So I go on A Sprite, right? I go on A Sprite. I quickly learn his brush size. I quickly learn his like canvas size, brush size, right? Like I learn his techniques, right? I learn his techniques and emulate this, right? Like it's pretty close, I think. It's pretty close. It's a bit cluttered. It's a bit cluttered because I am a cluttered person, but you know, it's close, right? It's close. It's the font is not the same, by the way. I don't know what font Clock uses. I don't know what font Clock uses, but like the L's are kind of different. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, while I was posting this, right? While I was going to post this, so like let me log on to Twitter and then like, you know, try get this posted. The homepage, right? I meet the homepage meets my eyes, right? I don't know what happened, right? I don't know what happened. I don't follow anybody. For context, right? For context, I don't follow anybody. Right? See? I have 36 followers, 0 following, right? Like I barely do any, like I barely do anything here, right? Like all these like tweets are just like, you know, arts and like reposting something me or my friend made, or like, you know, yeah. See, this is Risco Rain mod. This is Star Tellers, right? Like this is all I do here. I don't use Twitter, right? What is this? Yeah. Please continue. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Squirt. Thank you. I don't know. You have to follow some content creators so all the bots are following you. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not really like a thing, right? I'm not basically what I'm trying to say is that I barely use Twitter. I don't even know what's going on here, and like they barely have any data to go off of, and you know, recently I've just been looking at like the fucking free arts, right? Recently I've just been looking at the free arts. So what does Twitter do, right? What does Twitter do? All of my homepages of VTubers now. I don't know any of these guys, but all of my homepages, like there's like debuts going on every fucking day. Yeah, there's the punchline, right? There's the punchline. Like, what the fuck is going on? I do not understand all of this, right? Okay, there we go. Yeah, like if I go to Twitter right now, right? If I go to Twitter right now, hold on. Yeah, there it is. Like every other post is VTubers, and like I don't know how to feel about this. I don't know how to feel about this because, like, you know, like this is not like just VTubers either, right? Like this is normal VTubers, right? Twitter is recommending me normal VTubers with like fucking human girl avatars and like fucking half naked human girl avatars. Like what am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this? Yeah, I'm scared, right? This is Japanese idol culture. This is Japanese idol culture. This is fucked. This is fucked. I don't know. It's just kind of funny, right? It's kind of funny, right? There's the views going on every day. I don't know. It's an interesting experience, right? It really goes to show, right? Like it really goes to show that like the VTuber as like a medium, right? It's large, right? It's large. There's sides of this that are like wildly different. Like the vibes are wildly different there, right? the vibes are wildly different there. And where am I going with this? Where am I going with this? Am I just shitting on like normal VTubers? No, they grab the bag, right? They get the bag, right? I admire their efforts, but I'm trying to get it. What I'm trying to get at, right? Did you consider the possibility that the algorithm just thinks you're... I don't even use Twitter, that's the thing, right? Like, they have no fucking, like, what data do they have to conclude me in that way, right? Like, I don't even fucking... I don't even fucking like sex. What? they got me completely fucking wrong. The vibe scale different, yeah, different territory, right? Different territory entirely. Different territory entirely, and like, you know, yeah, I reply to Klong, right? Nowadays, I pretty much exclusively reply to Klong, right? Like this, I post this, right? Also this, yeah. Ever since Start Alerts happened, it's just me replying to him, right? Like, and that's crazy, right? Like, it's... Yeah, I think this is basically it. I think this is basically it. But you know, yeah. So where am I going with this? Where am I going with this? So there's another type of progenitor, right? Another type of progenitor type situation going on. Yes, it's the age-old lore in the prod broadcast, right? Like in the V zone, right? There's a second circle going on around here, and I hang out around there quite often nowadays, right? Quite often nowadays because you know something about schedule. How is this fucking... I don't know what's going on here. This is frustrating. This is frustrating. Why is tracker keeps closing? Huh? What's up with tracker? Keeps closing. What if I just like remove this? Does this work? But yeah, I hang out that normally, right? And then it always takes me by surprise, right? It always takes me by surprise whenever people fucking like kind of like I don't know. Whenever people like joke, flirt with her, like right? It's kind of like, oh, this is a fucking VTuber chat. Oh, right? It's like oh, I am in like a normal VTuber stream, right? Oh. It's like a realization, right? It's a realization that happens like almost daily. It's fucked up, right? It's fucked up. I don't know what to think about. Yeah, this, right? Like, yeah. Well, welcome to Divorce Zone Z, by the way. Welcome to the pod. Welcome to the... Yeah, I don't know. It's like, I mean, it's not like I can't. It's not like I can't deal with it, right? It's not like I'm like, oh, this is like I'm. It's not like you know like it's not like I'm allergic to it, right? It's not like I'm allergic to it, but also like it's this kind of. How do I put this? It's just kind of shocking, right? It makes me startled, right? It makes me startled, right? It's like one of those like emoji faces, right? It's like Yeah, mildly weird, right? Mildly weird. Like every time it happens, that like like I understand that it's customary, right? I understand that this is how normal VTubers are supposed to act. Like, I don't know, it's just crazy. It's just weird. I don't know. So speaking of, anyways, so Twitter, right? So something about Twitter. Like, is there like a benefit to doing Twitter? Fuck is normal though. I mean, like, like the most like conventional VTuber things, right? The most conventional, like, the what the usual corpos do, right? Like it's pretty quote unquote like cute girls, like, some kind of like Japanese appeal or something. I don't know. Like, or one of those, like, lean men. I don't know. Like some kind of nature, right? It has that kind of nature. It yeah, like, yeah. It's like, someone like LG, right? Someone like LG. Yeah, yeah. Twitter is basically a place for marketing and posting your schedule. Yeah, basically, right? Like that is my understanding as well. That is my understanding as well, but also, like, but also, is there a benefit to really posting marketing on Twitter? Right? Like that's the question, right? Like, does it actually have like an effect? Does it actually have like an effect? Clown, you post often on Twitter, right? Like, this is the whole, like, conversation, right? We circle back to this conversation. Do these posts have like an effect? Dude, you have a few people find you through Twitter? That's interesting. That is. I see. I see. The pictures don't? The pictures don't? So, which Twitter? What? So, what kind of posts do people like, if not for funny pictures? Replying to people? So it's like another form of leeching. I see, I see. Yeah, that is certainly, that I can see that being an attractive thing. Yes. Yes, I see that can be useful. Yes, that can be useful. I mean, we I am very well aware of this, right? I am very experienced in leeching. uh, yeah. That makes sense now. That makes sense. That makes sense. That is, I feel clarity. This, yes. Where was I? So, this is the funny thing. Finding people of similar interests. Yeah, yeah, right. Like, that's the ideal for sure. That's the ideal for sure. I don't know. So what I have written down, right? What I have written down, it says utilize Gizmo 2, right? And bunch of like modes that are written down. Something of this nature, right? Uh yeah, that's supposed to be the docket, right? But like, the Gizmo 2 is like, it's barely functioning right now, right? It's barely functioning. We don't even have like any commands. I think we don't even have any commands. Like, shit is kind of fucked. the downside of growing from Twitter is having people from Twitter in your community. I don't know about that, cause like everyone uses every fucking social media nowadays, right? People from Twitter is people from YouTube, and they're from people from Twitch, and they're from people from Tumblr, right? Like I don't know. Yeah, I genuinely don't know what's like closing tracker. Recently said they regret granting YouTube Shorts. Yeah, I guess there's like a. I guess even if like overlaps exist, it's like proportions, right? It's a percentage game, right? It's a percentage game. It's all demographics, right? I don't know. I don't know. It's like advertising. I was never really good at advertising, right? I was never good at advertising. It's that and like what do you call it? That and like creating a company, like managing, right? That and like those like logistics side of management, I was like never good at, right? I'm good. I'm good at leading people. I'm not good at leading like money, right? I'm not good at leading papers, right? Like it's that and advertising, right? I don't know how to do advertising well. It's like it's such an interesting place, right? It's I went to like I went to like a business class in my university, like for a solid like year and a half, right? I grinded that shit out, right? Because I wanted to be good at it, right? I wanted to be a good like game design, leader kind of thing. I wanted to make my own like indie company. You know those. You know the deals, right? You know the deals. And she was just not. She was just not. It was not my thing, right? I just didn't know how to do any of this. Right? I mean, I knew how to do any of these by by in my head, but like it's just it just drained the fuck like ever living shit out of me, right? Like I don't know. So I wish I was good at them though. I do wish I was good at like advertising and all that. Each social media has its own vibe. Does it? I don't know. Like I don't use a lot of social media, right? Like all my social media is basically just me posting about shit I'm making. Except for, Discord, right? So I have no idea what's going on outside of this. Like what kind of vibes do like each community really have, right? Like I know like a general things. Like I know general things, but like, it's yeah. Yeah, definitely, right? Something of that nature, right? It's just like posting like your personal thoughts and like shit on public. I think you need a script to restart the. I mean, if it works correctly, I wouldn't need to restart it, right? It is already automated. It's just crashing. It's randomly crashing every 5 minutes, and I don't know what's going on here. I'm so confused. Normally, I would I would start logging and debug this, but also I don't wanna crash the stream. I don't wanna crash the stream right now. I don't know. Due to Twitch ping, it shouldn't be about Twitch ping, right? This is only communicating between local OpenSea face and local overlay, right? But yeah, it's Discord. It's like Skype, right? Discord is just Skype. It like, yeah. Before Discord existed, I was making my Minecraft servers in Skypes, right? Like it's a similar thing, right? It's a similar thing. I don't understand people posting their personal thoughts and shit on the public places, right? I mean, Discord is also a public place. Discord is also a public place, but also it also allows for a smaller community to be formed, right? It allows for it allows for a less than that experience, right? I don't really post in big discords too, for that matter. But yeah, I know that the general, I know what people say, right? I know what people say about each social media, right? One of those Twitter is full of bots nowadays. Discord, YouTube Shorts, it has all the kids. Yeah, I've heard of those stuffs, right? I heard of those stuffs, but I don't know anything beyond that, right? In terms of useful demographic things, I don't know. I haven't looked into that, right? I haven't looked into that. Skype, I don't remember too much of Skype bots, I guess. It's I guess back then I wasn't really hanging out with enough people to really encounter bots. I was a real, I was just talking to 10 people at most, yeah. Nowadays, there are far more, right? Nowadays, this oh, what if I open this? What if I open Tracker in a different window? Let's try that. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's going on? What is going on? Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't know. It's a difficult thing, right? It's a difficult thing. The internet, it has all kinds of people, right? And Well, there's overlap. I'm sure there's like some differences. I don't know. It's a whole thing. So yeah, normally the docket says, right. The docket, it's obviously made from like Friday or some shit. It says utilize Gizmo 2, right? It's assuming that I have completed. It's assuming that I have completed all the Gizmo related dealings, right? It's trying to like it's giving me side quests, right? Right? It's giving me fun side quests to do on stream, but I don't know. I don't know, cause like everything's kind of down. I don't know. It's at least like, let's see what's up with the fucking tracker. At least I guess I don't know. It's but yeah, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. Where was I? So what are we going to do today? Right? What are we going to do today? Let's just quickly revive the things we can, right, in we can within reasonable time, and also let's maybe do one of these, like let's maybe do like one of the things on the optimistic docket, right? Let's yeah. I think that's a good I think that's a good starting point. uh, okay, I'm not like entirely sure what's going on, but like, yeah, this is kind of bad. This is kind of bad. Okay. So what is going on? What is going on? Let me explain. Let me explain. Right. So as I said before, right? As I said before, I spent like the last 12 hours trying to desperately trying to make the rest of this like work, right? Like at least to a reasonable degree, right? So I'm not really in the best state, right? I'm not really in the best state. I'm kind of fried, right? My brain is kind of fried. You probably realize, you guys probably are the banter is not, it's not coming out at the best quality. Let's just say that, right? The banter is not coming out at the best quality right now. It's ooh. What are you working on? Hello, Venerak. Yes, hello. Welcome to the pod. Yes. So what is going on? We rewrote the entire gizmo, the overlay, the entire like death machine from the beginning, from the start, right? And a lot of it doesn't work anymore, right? A lot of it is not implemented yet because we're rewriting the whole entire thing from scratch, right? So it's like a thing. So it's like Discord bot and also Twitch bot and also like OBS controller and WebSocket and also overlay, right? Like yeah, it's the mega gizmo. That's what we're doing today, and like pretty much every week since in this season at least. Yeah, pretty much every week. Hmm. I bring this up, right? Why do I bring this up? Well, not only is my banter not of the highest quality, I keep like blanking out. I don't know. I don't know. It's like I try to think of anything and like nothing is really coming up right now. So oof, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll have to do like the stuff on the docket because it's I've already thought of this before. I've already thought of these before, and now that I'm trying to like think of something new, it's not really coming up. So yeah, I don't know. Well, we'll see. We'll do something. We'll do something. We'll do something at least. I don't know. We'll try. Right? We'll try. Uh, before we do that, I'll quickly get some water. I'll quickly get some water and also like try to get myself together. Right? I'll try to get myself together. It's a bit early, but I don't know. I don't know. Normally I have a little more plan. I'm sorry guys. I don't know. I'm sorry. Okay, 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 okay. Alright, alright, alright. So I was thinking, right? I was thinking, what can we do? Right? What can we do at this state? What can we do at this state of time? We can, we can continue to work on this gizmo, but I don't know if it's going to be that interesting, given that we've done this before, right? We all had this before, and I don't know. Our scenes are not in this way, right? Our scenes are not usually in the like chill co-working kind of stream. We're not working, right? We're not working. It's kind of against the grain, I think. It's kind of against the grain, I think. So what can we do, right? What can we do today that is like, that doesn't require too much that doesn't require too much locking in, but also but also something that we can actually do, right? Something. Hello, Basilia. Hello, welcome to the pod. Welcome to the broadcast. Welcome to the pod. So what can we do, right? What can we do? I was thinking, right? I was thinking. So we have this module thing, right? We have this module thing, and it works pretty good. Right? And we have this module thing, and this part is actually pretty good, right? This part is actually works pretty well, right? So why not let's use this? let's try and utilize this new dynamic that we have created, right? This new dynamic that we have created. So I'm thinking, right? I'm thinking there is a website, right? There is a website. It's called QAT, right? There's a website called QAT here, right? So what is this page? What is this page? This is like a dictionary. Right? This is like a dictionary, like a crossword solver. Yeah, this is like a crossword solver, right? It You can input various like patterns, right? You can input various patterns, and it gives you words that matches this pattern, right? Like if you like let's say like words that starts with str, right? Like, and then it pulls out every word in that thing, right? It pulls out every word in that thing. And since this is like it's a relatively simple web page, right? It's a relatively simple web page, so we can probably incorporate this into our thing, right? We can probably put this in our thing as like a module. Shredia is a cool word. That is a cool word. What does it mean? I wonder what it means. Type of like yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. That does sound like it would be something of that nature. Yeah. So yeah, I'm thinking we can do this, right? I'm thinking we can do something of that nature, right? What we need? What would we require to achieve something like this? I'm pretty sure I have something similar in the original zone. Hold on. Pretty sure I have something similar in the original zone. Should we sanitize the dictionary? Yeah. It's probably it's probably not that bad though, right? It's probably I don't think it's gonna be like particularly bad to like sanitize this, cause like it's all in this like little block, right? It's all in this like little block. It's where is it? Yeah, it's all in these like text boxes, right? Like it's not followed by anything. Oh, you mean like those parts? You mean like those parts? Uh, is there like a safe dictionary? I mean, I don't think I don't think these dictionaries contain like extremely offensive words. If I don't know. I don't think it does. But yeah, think we can like pull this out. Like think we can get this done, right? Mm. Yeah. So for you, what's going on, A squared? I'm not going to get this game done? I mean, oh, you mean like the list jam? What's preventing you? Unable to function? Yeah, like this week is kind of fucked, right? This week is I don't know. I don't know. How do I request web pages in this gizmo? How am I requesting web pages? I'm importing open. What does this do? Oh, this just opens in like a browser. This is not. This is not it. Do I have like a request thing? Node request. Isn't request deprecated? Oh, there's bad words in UKCD? I wonder. I wonder what the WitScore guys do, because they have a bot as well, right? They have a bot that does this as well, right? Like this is already a feature in their like it's right, like it already does the thing, right? I wonder how they like filter things out in their bots. I can probably look them up. Ah, I'm using node fetch. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Let's see. Let's do the thing. So I make the thing and then I copy over these specific things, right? And also command. And then I go here and then I initialize, you know, npm. I install the things, right? Install. Yeah, there we go. That's all the things. Yeah, there we go. I'm not sure what you mean by this. I don't. Oh, you mean like going local style? You mean like going local style? Hold on. Hold on. That might actually be quite a fun project, but you made me kind of conflicted now. Because that is a cool project, right? That is a cool project, but like, you know, that's gonna take, yeah, that's gonna take like 3 days at least, right? Because that's a lot of rejects. That is a lot of rejects. And also that's a lot of like synonym kind of thing. Whatever you make today would be needed for local mode. I don't know. It's kind of disjoint, right? It's kind of disjoint. Command. So we have dictionary that is like module exports, execute. And then we have a separate like thing that's like this is just this. Okay, it is this apparently. Wow, how did I do this? What? What is the syntax? Oh, deeply confusing. Deeply confusing, this one. But yeah, as you can see, this is like, you know, this is just this. I don't understand awake required, but it feels ominous. It's like, I mean, awake itself isn't that bad, but also like, what is this like? What is this like parentheses doing, right? So I have this, and then this is pattern, and then this is dictionary. What does require do? Require just like, you know, it fetches the exports from another file, right? In this case, this, right? So it's calling this, which is like, you know, just this, right? Yeah, it's a node thing. Yeah, it's a node thing. So I have this whole thing that's like, this part is done, but also like, and then we make a separate thing, right? Separate thing here that's like module exports predicate. You know, this is the usual. This is what used to be. This is what was originally in the thing, right? This is what was originally in the gizmo, right? It's originally in Twitch side. Yeah, there we go. In originally handled within the Twitch module, but now it's in main, right? Where it actually needs to be. And then I reload this, right? I reload. Where's Twitch? Ah, there it is. And then I start this. Require of ES module. I know this error. I know this error. I need to install like an old version, don't I? Yeah, I need to install version 2 instead of 3. I remember this. I had this error as well, like before. Okay, it is loaded. Now let's try undefined. Why is it undefined? A status, A body. Huh? 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 Main does not exist. This error is peculiar. Yeah, this error is peculiar because it only happens to... Huh? Well, I guess we'll have to see. Right? I guess we'll have to see if the rejoin function works. Okay, does it work? Does the rejoin function work? No, the rejoin function doesn't work at all. Right? No, wait, it works? It works? It's just a tracker that's broken again? It's just a tracker that's broken again, somehow. I don't know why it does this. Anyways. But yeah, it keeps like detaching itself, right? It keeps detaching itself from the thing. Signal processing, yeah, it is kind of that nature, right? The stream gizmo, it's a lot of piping. The gizmo is a lot of piping. Like I've also noticed this like during the first iteration of the gizmo, but it's just a lot of like transforming data into each other and transferring those data into different parts of the thing, right? Yeah. Uh, why does it say main does not exist there? Let's set lock level to all. And see. Message Twitch. Processing command. Oh! Oh, it's probably using like a wrong thing. Hold on, let's go to here. Let's go to Gizmo. Yeah, it's using the wrong send. Do you see? It's using the wrong send. This is it. Yeah, this is like an LSP fail, right? This is yes. You see like I this is auto completed. This has auto completed into a wrong thing. That's why it was sending an error. Yes, that makes sense. The send was supposed to be this one, right? It's yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay, we got the thing. We got the thing. We got the whole HTML. We got the whole HTML. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, okay. Where's the thing? Where's the thing? Instead of logging, let's reply, right? Let's reply. Let's see. Let's do this, right? Mm-hmm. Instead of logging, let's reply with this, right? Let's reply with this. So you guys can also see. Oh, it's not killing. Why is it not killing? I wonder. Does this work? No, still no. Yeah, it is CGI. Yeah, it is. We could extract an API call? What do you mean by this? I'm not sure why this is not restarting. Well, that's probably because we... Yeah, it's definitely because we restarted the module that reset the... Oh my god. I use the backup RESTful request, isn't it? Yeah. That's the normal, right? That's the normal. But you know, we're this is kind of a non-standard thing, right? This is not meant to be like an API kind of thing, right? Okay, does it work? Yeah. You can see it returns the entire thing, right? It returns the entire thing. So let's do some operations on this, right? Let's do some operations on this. Where was the result in? Where was the result in? Right? Result was in div class in. there's two div class in, right? It's in TDL. Hold on, TDL div in, and then it's all the text, right? It's all the text. How do I grab? How do I grab all the like texts that are not wonder. Huh? Yes, have fun with your coffee break. Yes, yes, indeed. I wonder where the none of this has like a div thing on this, right? Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't. So technically, right? Technically, I can just like do the thing. I could just like be evil. That'd be fun. Hold on. TD class L. Start. Div class in. Right. Yeah, that just gave me the inside, right? That just gave me the inside of the this thing, right? Inside of the this thing. And then now I just have to and then I just have to filter. Your usage of JS-based DOM manipulation is very yeah. I mean, normally you just use like Axios or some bullshit, right? Normally you'd not do this, right? Yeah. It's this is very. I probably wouldn't do this either, but like I'm programming under duress, right? I'm programming under duress, and I'm you know, I gotta do something. I gotta do something here, okay? I gotta accomplish something. So what can we do here? So this is the inside of the div, right? This is the inside of the div, and we gotta extract all the text, right? We gotta exclude all the tagged fields, right? Like yeah, that's the new goal here. I wonder what I can do. Does this work? No, there. Wait, option? You don't have to close option? You don't have to close option? What? That's interesting. What's not closed? Option tag, right? Like the this, right? Like the yeah. You're supposed to close it? Well, the HTML I'm getting doesn't have it closed. The HTML I'm getting does not have it closed. I'm not sure what's going on here exactly, but you know. Right. What's the... I probably shouldn't think about the best way of going about this, don't I? Because like the best way is probably using a library, right? This is definitely... I'm definitely just trying to make this work. So how do I make this work? How do I make this work? What was the thing I did? What was the thing I did before? This gives you... Yeah. Yeah. Okay, does that do anything? Oh, of course, this can very well just also make it like -1, doesn't it? A. Oh, it's on this screen. It's on this screen. I don't know why it does that. It's the OBS thing. I think the whole thing is kind of messed up there. I don't know. I just copied that thing over from Gizmo One because it was part of the 12-hour plan. But yeah, something gets messed up when I look at the logs, right? When I'm focused on the logs, the consoles, right? The terminal, it gets messed up that way. There we go. Let's just try this. What screen am I in? Okay, there we go. $8.98. Hello, and yes, goodbye, Liquid Cake One. Yes, good. Have good sleeps. Yes. Dude, I should have some good sleeps too. Holy fuck. Oof, oof, oof. Yes. Good night, Liquid Cake One. This and then position being X. Hello friends. Hello Tomato. Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the pod. Welcome to the broadcast. There we go. Welcome to the thing. Yeah. Miss you. We miss you too. Yeah, we miss you big time. I think. Your icon changed? Yeah, everyone's icon kind of changed. Everyone's icon will be changing in the near future, right? In the near future, it's preparing for the achievement. It's preparing for the achievement mode, right? It's preparing for the achievement mode. It's unrelated to the cache, right? It's unrelated to the cache because it's based on a hash, right? It's based on a hash, but I think it's different because like the algorithm itself has changed, right? Yeah, it's not cache based. Big Dish, yeah, Big Dish is powerful. Big Dish is kind of powerful, I think. I don't know, remove different icons so the hashes map to different things. I don't think I touched the hash thing in a while. I just copy pasted that part from the thing, right? I feel urged to catalog users and their historical icons. Maybe, yeah, that might be cool, right? That might be an interesting endeavor. Add all the stats. I literally don't have stats. Is the thing. Like I don't think any stats are active right now. I guess Venerac's Joel thing is still active. Heard your name? Yeah. Right now, all of our like internal stats are kind of like down, right? So your stats are like the only thing standing here. Hold on, can I view? It's probably in here, right? Yeah, it's in here. Yeah, this is the only stats that remain, I think. This is the only stats that we have. So we have now. It's kind of crazy, right? We should get everything together. We should get everything together, but yeah, we have that. Yeah, that's a thing. Do you archive the logs? Before the Discord bridge? There's nothing before the Discord bridge. Niche Penguin, Discord bridge existed like before, right? Discord bridge existed before the V mode even began, right? It's one of the first. It's one of the first. So it is all archived there, right? Yeah, stream does the incident, even the incident is logged. Right? Even the incident is logged in the bridge mode. Yeah, for the icons you can definitely refer to the bots. Well, some of them, right? In some of them, we did some overlay shenanigans. Oh, this is supposed to be X index, not just X. That explains. Yeah, there we go. So now we reply with data and then exit with data, right? This should work. No. Yeah, there we go. Okay. We did the thing. We did the thing. Yeah. So what is this? What did we do? I mean, I was supposed to commentate all this, right? I was supposed to commentate all this, but you know, multitasking is a tall order right now, right? Multitasking is quite a tall order when I'm not. It's not working. It's not working. Let's just say it's not working, right? It's. So what is this? What is this, right? So first off, we're getting the HTML file, right? We're like it's fetching to the node fetch thing, and it's getting the whole HTML. A normal sane person would use something like Axios, right? Like use something like, I don't know. Wait, why is it tabbed out? What is going on? Okay. Right? A normal person would use something like this, or maybe something like, I don't know. So, something like this, right? A normal person would use these kind of things, right? Would utilize these kind of like selectors, right? You utilize actual DOM navigation, right? Actual HTML scraping tools, right? This is a sane person solution. This is a sane person solution. We don't do this here. We do insane person solution, right? That's what we did. We did insane person solution. We're parsing things in a very janky way. I don't think it works. It only works for this specific web page, right? It only works for this specific web page, and it works? Question mark. It works, right? Yeah. So this is what we did. It's this is what we did. Well, we'll have to figure something out in regards to like filtering bad words apparently, and also like switching dictionary. Those things we can do. Like those things we can do relatively easily, right? Right? Yeah. HTML, it's a funny thing, right? HTML is a funny thing. I don't know. But yeah, this is definitely not the best thing, right? Not the best thing. I'll it'll probably look different, once I have like a modicum of free time right now. Like so many important thing is broken that I don't know how long this will stay broken, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. We'll think about it, right? We'll think about it, and next week I'll fix all of this for sure, right? Next week you guys will hopefully be able to screen again. Hopefully be able to do various kinds of gizmo, and hopefully I'll be a little more awake too, right? A little more. No, a little less fucking spent, right? Hopefully next week I'll be a little less spent. I don't know. Prospect is not like the greatest right now. Prospect is not the greatest right now, considering next week I'm supposed to make the fucking font thing. That's like the biggest fucking project too, right? Oh my god. I don't know. It's just season 0 kind of thing, right? It's a season 0 kind of thing. I'm making a font. No, I already have a font, Tayamisi. This is a font I made, right? The font. This is a font I made. What I'm referring to, right? What I'm referring to is a font renderer. Right, I'm supposed to read from a TTF file, and then like fucking I'm supposed to draw shit on screen, right? I'm supposed to like put glyphs together and like make animations happen, Yeah, that's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. It's gonna be fun. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. You see how all the emotes are like fucked up. You see how all the emotes are like incredibly broken? Yeah, these are part of the effort, right? This emotes will be fixed after we make the thing, right? Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. That's I guess that's the bottom line, right? Like the bottom line is we'll see big things coming. That's the bottom line, I guess. Yeah, big thing is this why he says big things coming? Because big things is not here yet. Is this a cope? Is this a form of cope? Is this a form of cope? But yeah, like you see this, yeah, like this is a to-do list right now, right? Like right, this is the list I'm carrying around at this moment. This is a list I'm carrying around at the moment, and like when we're doing some things, we're doing some things. 8 curry gum 2. Yeah. I don't know. Yes. Well, we did this, right? We completed this. We haven't completed this yet. We didn't make model. And yeah, I guess we'll also have to like also add like what is it? Also add like why is tracker crashing? There we go. So yeah, we'll figure these out. We'll move on. Hopefully we can move on to season 1, and like season 1 means like less of this, right? Less like infrastructure, more like more fun gizmos, right? Because yeah, we'll be doing almost all the like base works here, right? So we can work on the application layer, right? We can work on the gameplay, right? In a lot of ways, this stream is very focused on gameplay, right? Like that's the good place we're trying to go, right? That's the good place we're trying to go, and to go there, we have to, right? We have to get this done, and hopefully, hopefully next time we meet, hopefully a lot of this will be done. I don't know. I mean, I just like it's kind of fucked up, right? Let's go back to that fucking image again. Like where's the fucking image, right? Like I had 3 days, right? I had 3 days to make all of this, and then I suddenly get fucking poisoned. I suddenly get fucking poisoned for like 2.5 days. Like that's so goddamn unfair, right? That's so goddamn unfair. What do you fucking mean? What do you fucking mean, right? Like if I had 3 whole days, all of this would have been done. All of this would have been fucking done. I don't know. Like I don't know what is going on, right? I don't know what is. I don't know. It's just I guess there's no point. I guess there's no point lamenting, right? I guess there's no point lamenting over spilled milk, right? Spilled wake up is fried. Yeah, wake up is fried. Octavia is a fucking unit, right? Octavia is such a person. She's such a woman. I don't know, but yeah, like it's. I guess there's no like it's a done deal, right? It's a done deal. We'll see you next time though. Yeah, we'll see you next time. We'll just I don't know. Hopefully I don't get fucking poisoned again. I guess that's the bottom line, right? Hopefully I don't get poisoned again, and hopefully I can actually use all of my goddamn time to actually work on the gizmo. We'll work on the gizmo, and we'll actually get Gizmo 2 running. Right? We'll actually get Gizmo 2 running, okay? Like, yeah, right? Yeah. Next time you'll be able to fucking do the screen thing again. I'm sorry for not doing 4 hours. I'm sorry for all the things kind of fucked up. Thank you for hanging out though. Thank you for hanging out. I love you as always. I love you as always. It's just. Yeah, it's a thing. Yeah, take care of everyone. We'll see you tomorrow or somewhere later. We have the Discord, of course. We have the Discord that is fully. I mean, we have like 10 viewers. Like we're you guys. Oh yeah, Discord command doesn't work. Discord command doesn't work. Hold on. Yeah, we have the Discord, so something of this nature, right? Something of this nature. Well, we'll see you later, right? We'll see.